Your outdoor space is no longer just a backyard, it's your personal escape, your mini resort, and your favorite place to relax. In 2025, outdoor furniture design is all about comfort, durability, and modern style. Whether you have a large garden, a cozy balcony, or a rooftop terrace, today's trends bring indoor luxury outdoors. Let us explore the top outdoor furniture trends of 2025 that perfectly blend comfort and style. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability continues to lead design in 2025. Outdoor furniture made from recycled wood, eco-rattan, and upcycled metal is more popular than ever. These materials aren't just good for the planet, they're incredibly durable against the sun and rain. Expect to see earthy tones, organic textures, and minimal finishes that connect your outdoor space with nature itself. Tip: mix natural wood tones with neutral cushions for a timeless, grounded look. 2. Modular outdoor sofas. Flexibility is everything this year. Modular outdoor seating lets you rearrange your layout depending on the occasion, whether it's a family barbecue or a quiet evening alone. Designers are creating pieces with movable sections, built-in tables, and hidden storage, all wrapped in weather-resistant fabrics. Soft neutrals, curved silhouettes, and low-slung designs make these sofas as comfortable as your indoor couch. 3. Indoor comfort, outdoor durability. The biggest shift in 2025, outdoor furniture now feels just as luxurious as what you'd find inside your living room. Think deep cushions, water-resistant fabrics, and plush loungers that invite you to unwind for hours. Materials like performance linen, treated teak, and aluminum frames ensure both elegance and longevity. Design tip: choose furniture with removable, washable covers, perfect for easy maintenance and long-term style. 4. Minimalist and sleek designs. Less clutter, more calm. Minimalism continues to dominate with clean lines, slim frames, and monochrome palettes. Whether it's black metal lounges or light wood tables, the goal is to create a serene outdoor retreat. This look pairs beautifully with soft lighting, textured rugs, and simple plant decor for a luxurious yet peaceful vibe. 5. Multifunctional pieces. Small outdoor spaces, no problem. 2025 is all about multi-purpose furniture: benches with storage, tables that double as coolers, or ottomans that become side tables. These clever designs are perfect for compact balconies or patios, offering both function and flair. Pro tip: go for foldable or stackable designs to save space without compromising on comfort. 6. Bold accent colors and textures. Neutrals may be timeless, but 2025 adds a pop of excitement. Vibrant hues like terracotta, sage green, ocean blue, and mustard yellow are trending this year. These colors add warmth and energy to any outdoor setup. Combine bold cushions, patterned rugs, or ceramic side tables to make your space truly stand out. 7. Lighting and accessories for ambience. No outdoor setup is complete without the right atmosphere. Soft LED lanterns, string lights, and solar lamps are replacing harsh lighting with cozy, ambient tones. Add a few woven planters, textured throws, and outdoor rugs to create a relaxed, resort-style feel. Tip: mix lighting heights, floor lamps, table lights, and hanging bulbs for depth and drama after sunset. 8. Smart outdoor living. Welcome to the future. Smart outdoor furniture is here. From USB charging tables and built-in Bluetooth speakers to solar-powered seating, innovation is transforming outdoor comfort. It's perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying a tech-savvy lifestyle under the open sky. So whether you're redesigning your patio, balcony, or garden, remember, outdoor living in 2025 is about more than just looks. It's about creating a space that is comfortable, sustainable, and effortlessly stylish. For modern outdoor furniture, customized seating, and weatherproof designs, visit fixitdubai.ae. Your one-stop destination for luxury interiors and outdoor transformations. Bring comfort and style outdoors only with Fixit Dubai, where design meets lifestyle.